Hey everyone! If you're serious about building a profitable dropshipping business, then you need to know about Doba, one of the most trusted platforms in the e-commerce space. With over 20 years of experience and more than 3 million dropshippers using it worldwide. So, what makes Doba stand out? Let me break it down for you. US-based inventory and fast shipping. First off, Doba has a massive advantage in that 90% of their products are stocked in US warehouses. This means faster shipping times compared to most dropshipping suppliers who ship from overseas. Fast shipping leads to happier customers, fewer cancellations, and better reviews, all crucial for your store's success. Plus, their suppliers include top 500 US brands, so you can trust the product quality and reliability. AI-powered product selection. One of the biggest challenges in dropshipping is finding the right products that actually sell. Doba makes this easy with their AI-driven product selection system. Using over 20 years of market data, their AI analyzes trends, customer demand, and sales velocity to handpick the best products for you. This data-backed approach removes guesswork and helps you focus on winning products that maximize your profit potential. AIHub, your personal dropshipping assistant. A truly standout feature of Doba is the AIHub. Think of it as your personal dropshipping assistant powered by the latest artificial intelligence technology. The AIHub helps you with everything from product research to trend forecasting. It provides intelligent recommendations tailored to your store's niche and customer base, giving you insights into what products are hot right now and predicting emerging market trends before they explode. The AIHub can even assist you with pricing strategies by analyzing competitor pricing and suggesting optimal price points to maximize your margins while staying competitive. Plus, it automates routine tasks such as inventory monitoring and order tracking, so you spend less time managing and more time growing your business. One-click listing and full automation. Managing a dropshipping business can get complicated, but Doba simplifies it with one-click product listing. That means you can add products to your store instantly. No tedious uploads or manual data entry. But it doesn't stop there. Doba automatically syncs your inventory and pricing in real time. If a product sells out or the price changes, your store updates automatically. Even better, order management is automated too, so you don't have to juggle multiple platforms or suppliers manually. Everything flows smoothly and efficiently, letting you scale faster and save time. Wide range of top niche products. Whether you're into home and garden, beauty and health, outdoor gear, clothing, toys, or sports, Doba offers expertly curated, trending products across a variety of popular niches. Their extensive catalog ensures you can find the perfect products that match your target market, no matter your store's focus. And because the products are from reputable US suppliers, you can count on quality and fast delivery. Seamless integrations with major e-commerce platforms. Doba integrates smoothly with all the big e-commerce platforms you likely use or want to use. This includes Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Wix, TikTok Shop, Temu, and more. These integrations are a game changer because they let you sync products, manage inventory, and process orders directly through your selling platform without extra manual steps. It's the perfect setup for dropshippers who want efficiency and growth without the headache of managing multiple tools. Dedicated customer support, 24/7. Running a business is hard enough, so having reliable support makes all the difference. Doba's support team is US-based and available 24/7 through live chat. You also get a one-on-one account manager who understands your business and is ready to help whenever you need guidance, whether it's troubleshooting, sourcing products, or advice on scaling. This kind of dedicated, accessible support ensures you're never left stuck. Learning resources and Elite Academy. Even if you're new to dropshipping, Doba has you covered. Their Elite Academy offers step-by-step courses designed to teach you everything you need to grow your store and master e-commerce. Plus, their blog is regularly updated with the latest tips on marketing, product trends, and dropshipping strategies. With these resources, you're continuously learning and improving, which is key to long-term success. Earn coupons and join webinars. Doba isn't just about tools, they also provide opportunities to boost your business through promotions like earning up to $50 in coupons and attending free webinars. These webinars teach insider tips and advanced strategies to take your dropshipping store to the next level, and the coupons help reduce your costs when you're sourcing products, making it easier to maximize profits. Affordable trial to get started. If you want to test drive Doba, you can get started with a 14-day trial for only 99 cents. This low-risk trial gives you full access to their AI tools, integrations, and product catalogs so you can see firsthand how Doba can streamline your dropshipping business. In summary, Doba combines decades of industry experience with cutting-edge AI technology, powerful automation, trusted US-based suppliers, seamless integrations, and outstanding customer support, all designed to help you build, grow, and scale a winning dropshipping store. If you want to build your dream dropshipping business faster and smarter, check out Doba today. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and here's to your dropshipping success.